Yo, viewers and subscribers, welcome back. Yo, big up everybody who been a share the video them, who been a like the video them. Big up on yourself. Yo, more to listen to these people. Neako Fire. See, as you know, this man, I don't know which side them on the pan. Whether them a Gaza vendetta or crooks. You see me? But listen these people. Let's go.
Me in a bush I eat a blacky mango in a but I swear to you, me have to come talk this. No, the Intence song, him beat everybody.
Intence.
Him beat Skilly, him beat Gaza, and him beat Masicka. But I want him, me glad he admit, say a alkaline. Him have left for dopey Masicka. Him know say him can't manage that. He true to himself. But the Gaza fans, him a crash out. The Gaza vloggers, him a crash out. Every Gaza panel me go pan, them a crash out. But you know what, surprisingly, I can't believe Skillibeng really accept the fact he say he's a princess. Because there's no way a man can do a song and say,
you have a point, you have a point.
One crocodile upon the land and me an artist.
You have a
point,
answer
to
so.
that. Me not answer to that. Me never, because me
I not answer to that.
Why him answer to that? Why him make the Gaza fans them boots him and see the now Intence clot him way. Because Intence sang better than film song, you know, a million times, you know. And me hear the Gaza fans, they must say, Intence song weak. So they must say, Intence song weak and Skillibeng song bad. No, sir. Them are a different level of corruption. Different level of corruption.
Yo.
But, when you tell teacher come out, teacher
that you why you not talk about teacher? Why you not talk about teacher? Teacher enjoy life. Teacher do something you don't know about, you don't understand. You see me? Like some man not understand, say, yo, cartel de on one different level right now, enjoying his life. You know what I mean? Like, in a real life. You can do 13 years of prison and then come back out and run down beef. You're mad to pussy clat. I can't saltfish and steak me and run down. No beef. Well, steak and beef still. Yo, in other news, we give the Intence song a listen. See? Come in and listen to it yet, you know. Let's go. Uptown.
16 that plate in a head move. Shengyard brain cell that a spread. Murder and that a saint in a way.
Bombo clot.
Knock it, make it take a 5. A crooks we get it to below that a crime.
Yo, a crooks we get it.
Nobody know I'm alive. No fling shot to the monk, and then shot your life. Say I blind, I lead blind.
The song about, the song about. Bombo clot. I'll cartel the man a try jaw.
Send 2 bad folk go cut off a head. 16 bore up the charger there. Rapid the man take a city head a fly. Knock it, make it take a 5. A crooks get it to below that a crime. The glitch chip up and it full of bag of megabytes. Tell gun mouth to don't know him Netherline. Nobody know I'm alive.
Bombo clot. Song bad, me not lie. Me want, listen, I'm a talk fact, I know what me want. Because Skillibeng and Masicka Skillibeng one. Masicka. So I don't know why Masicka send this man here to Skilly. And that's how we are going to do it. Masicka, you fiancé, man. So me hear everybody else say, yo, them can't understand Skillibeng. See? Run it! Rises up a kill mosquito, them know some Masicka. In a real life, you wicked, I press your rifle hitter. Get up just like a Soviet in a melt, your fastest spin and still a result, but the rise for Krista. Never scared them a bait, we not play anyway. Well, a shot in your face, hella raise, yeah. You not ear shot in your ears like a train. So them rifle along in your way, pepper spray, yeah. Big shot that in a decay, anyway. Everybody video, head a drain, yeah. Instant, they tap your brain. This stuff, this stuff. What uno say? Where uno say? Me hear every word when man say a while ago, you know. Where uno say? Bombo clot. Yo, Skilly. How where you come from? I really out of space, bro. Remember me telling you this, you see Skillibeng. Skillibeng I type of artist. But we drop sitting, I don't think of fuckery. And 6 months down the line, I run the road. Zappa. Believe. So yo, let me tell you. This is how I think about Forever. Forever Rain is a bad bumbo clat album. Masicka do him thing. Masicka execute. You see me? The dog go to the drawing board and him do what the assignment say. You see me? My favorite song on the album are Psalms. Song body of fuck. When I tell a lie. You see me? Right now, me feel like if Masicka continue with the trolling with Skillibeng, it a go good for him because guess what? You see when you have people talk about you, that is good promotion. So all that what talk about say Masicka no fi answer, Masicka no fi this and Masicka no fi that. Listen, if Masicka answer, it is going to be good promotion. Sorry, good promotion. You see me? Yeah man, that's how I think about Forever. Listen, me feel like it I get album I hear and me no put it past him. And music me love, you know. I love music and the end of the day, I no can't bias. The dog a do it. You see me? Cartel now go rain forever, you know. So end of the day, somebody have to come rain after. You see me I say? Yeah man. But the dog album is a 10 for me. You know what I mean? Yeah man, Forever Rain. Bad album.